How to make a Capcut watermark. Unlock your phone. Go to the search bar. Write green screen background. Select one photo. Save or download it. I took a screenshot. Go to Phone Gallery and set it to a picture position. Now let's start making the video. Open a Capcut app on your phone. Select Create Project. Import the green screen photo. You will see it on a screen. Delete the ending of video. Select the option Edit. Again, select Edit and rotate the clip. Select Add Text. Write on it. Add color you want to. Select font you want to add. Adjust it. Click on Done and export the clip. Click Done. Again, open the Capcut. Import a video you want to upload. Cut the extra part you don't need. Delete the ending. Click on Overlay. Add overlay. Select the video you recently saved. Click on the clip and crop the extra part of video. Crop the clip but not writing. Select the clip and press Blend. Press Overlay. Click Done. Select the cutout option. Click on Chroma key. Adjust the writing where you want watermark. Click on Chroma key. Circle will appear. Fix the writing in it. Click on Intensity and make it 100. Click on Shadow and make it 100. Play the video. Again, play the video. Cut the extra part of video. Now you will see watermark on screen. Click on Export and click Done. Your video is ready to share. That's all from today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.